Hello everyone, welcome to another economics lesson from Hat's Tutors. And today I'm going to be talking about market equilibrium. So just before we begin, when I say market equilibrium, I refer to the intersection of the demand and supply curves, which you guys learned about in previous videos. So yeah, hopefully that is clear. So starting off, we're normally going to get it's called a demand and supply schedule, but it's mainly just a chart of uh, at every price, like how much is demanded, how much is supplied, as you can see here. So using the above information, we can plot a demand and supply graph, and we also find the market equilibrium price and quantity. So to find, all you gotta do to find the equilibrium quantity is find where quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. So like as you can see in for this graph, it's gonna be at $6. So at $6, 50,000 kilograms are both demanded and supplied, which means the market is in equilibrium because there's no surplus, there's no shortage, which is what a free market is in theory going to always go to, where demand and supply intersect. So with the graph, hopefully it makes it a little more clear. Yeah, I know not a very good drawing. I apologize for that. There was no graph paper, so it was very very rough. This I believe this wasn't exactly wasn't exactly perfectly linear, so the points are a little like that. But of course, the line of the best fit for it. You can see roughly where they intersect. It's supposed to be at $50,000 and $6 is roughly correct. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. You make sure the quantity demanded equals quantity supplied, and that's the market equilibrium. And of course, it's free market, so without government intervention, the market's always going to try to get to here. All right, so changes to market equilibrium can happen for many reasons. So of course, demand and supply can increase because of all the reasons we discussed in previous videos. So let's say in this new scenario, suppose land prices fall rapidly so that more cattle can be raised, and the quantity of cattle supplied at each price raises by 60,000 kilograms. So as you can see, our original quantity supplied, everything is just going to be added 60,000. So that means we're going to get a new equilibrium. And as you can see from this chart, the new equilibrium is going to be at 80,000 kilograms, since the new quantity supplied is at 80,000 and the new quantity demanded is also at 80,000. And this is all going to happen at $4. So as you can imagine, after the supply is able to increase, because of course cost of input become cheaper, so supply can go up. Suppliers can afford to put out more at every single price. That means the equilibrium price is going to go down and equilibrium quantity is going to go up. And that is exactly what happened here, as we can see. Because if you think about it, there's more stuff on the market, and it's cheaper, so people actually do want to buy more. And the reason the suppliers have to make it cheaper is to make sure they don't have a surplus. They actually want people to buy that extra amount up. This representation can be shown on this graph. Once again, I apologize, not very good. But I hope the idea is pretty clear, where the supply curve just shifts to the right. So before, we can imagine it was roughly over here, but then it kind of just shifted out all the way over here, because at every price point they can afford to produce 60,000 more. And that means the new equilibrium point, as we can see here, is going to be at $4.80. I'm not sure, probably not very clear. That's probably not very clear here. I apologize for that once again. The demand curve is supposed to be more like this, right? You can see my cursor. But yeah, hopefully the idea is clear. So of course, this is all under the assumption that the market operates freely. So if the market operated freely, if supply just increased, the market would eventually settle at a equilibrium price of $4.80 kilograms. Hopefully that made sense to all of you. Just want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you soon.